Hey guys, y'all, today is, I just spit. Welcome back to my channel. This will be my third upload in the last 3 weeks. Like, I'm actually filming and editing and posting these videos, which is crazy. But so today is Friday the 27th. It's actually Halloween weekend, but I don't go out, so it's almost 9 a.m. I actually got up at, what time did I get up? At 7 a.m. I've been getting up at 7 these past couple weeks. No matter what time I go to bed, I always get up at 7. The last video, I didn't really film it the way, well, I wouldn't say film it, but I explained to you guys at the end of the video, I didn't really get to film the way that I wanted to because of me getting sick. Because I was sick, we really ended up not doing anything. So I kind of just filmed what I could and just uploaded something because I didn't want to not upload anything. This week's video is just gonna be like a week in my life. A weekend in my life. Don't really have anything planned this week. Oh, actually the plan is truthfully to declutter the house. Not declutter, but get rid of some stuff. That's kind of like what we're gonna be doing this weekend. Britt actually gets off of work early today. We're probably gonna do our little do like we do on Fridays. Probably get something to eat, probably go to the mall. But the last couple Fridays, I don't even think I actually filmed. I did one, but last Friday I didn't film us going to the mall and doing all that shit because we were in and out. That's when we made the lasagna soup and we came literally right back home. Today, that's probably what the plan is. It might change because y'all know we always change up last minute. Tomorrow, I'm pretty sure I'm still doing my cousin's makeup because it's her homecoming. And then Sunday, it's probably just gonna be like a chill Sunday. This video is kind of gonna be like a home vlog, but that's just to give you a feel what the video is gonna be about. I'm going to probably make some breakfast. Y'all saw me make breakfast already, so we ain't doing that again. I mean, we could, but it's the same shit. No, I'm gonna eat some breakfast, kind of get my day started. I'm really not gonna be doing anything until Britt gets off. Once I'm dressed and ready for the day is when I'll come back and speak to you guys about where we're gonna be going, where we're gonna be heading if the plans change. Y'all know the deal. Y'all know how shit work around here. So I'll check in with you guys when it's time for me to leave. We'll see where this goes. Bye. Is this the same shirt? This ain't the same shirt from yesterday. No, that's not the same shirt. Hi guys. I was supposed to film yesterday, but as soon as she came in from work, can y'all believe we didn't go nowhere? What did we do? Watch movies. 2 good ones. Oh yeah, then we finished Love is Blind. But y'all, it is almost 8:30. I did not film, obviously, because we didn't go anywhere. So today, what's the plan, Shorty?
No, you tell me.
No. You're supposed to know.
Oh, to clean, you gonna do cousin's makeup?
Uh-huh. See, she know.
And that's it.
And we might go to the store. I just finished brushing my teeth, washing my face, doing my skincare. I want to eat something before I get into a flow of cleaning. But at the same time, I was thinking if I wanted to go to the store before I started cleaning and doing all that, because I feel like once I'm done, it might be a little later. Not later, but it might be later in the day, and it's a Saturday, and I don't want to be out and everybody trying to. First of all, it's supposed to be 80 degrees today, and it's October. It's about to be Halloween, and everybody gonna be outside. I know it's just gonna be packed. The store's gonna be packed and everything. I'm about to eat. So I'll get started cleaning a little bit. I'm gonna jump into that closet. So yeah, bye. All right, y'all, it's almost 10 o'clock. We're about to leave to go to the store first. I ended up eating. I didn't get into this closet, nor did we start cleaning anything yet. And when we come back, we're gonna start cleaning. That's really it. That's the only update. We about to leave and literally walk out the door right now. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. I wear like the same shit all the time. I have on this black shirt. Where'd I get these from? Target. And I got on my New Balances. We're about to leave right now and walk out the door. And I'll see you guys when we get to the store when we get back. See you later. Alright y'all, it is, let me turn it down. It's almost 3 o'clock. I washed the dishes when we came back home. Then I jumped into cleaning the fridge. The fridge was already cleaned, but I wanted to like take each part out and clean it because that's how I clean the fridge. I literally take the glassware out and wash the glassware. Now we're about to start on this closet. I'm gonna take majority of stuff out. We're gonna go through it together and we're gonna listen to some music, and this might be a montage. I'll stop and talk a little bit, but trying to talk and clean and listen to music, it's gonna be a whole show. So we're about to start tackling this closet. I'm about to turn the music up.
If I tell you, say I love you. Telling me that you're in love, make me harder. It gave everything that you had left to give.
Okay, Shy is done. I'm gonna show them the face. Oh, it's just something simple, but she looks so cute. I ended up cleaning and did her makeup, and now she's about to leave and go to homecoming and have a good time without me. Maybe next time. Yeah, probably look crazy. Okay. It is 5:30. I just finished my cousin's makeup. First of all, why did I think she was a freshman and she a sophomore? Shy, I'm gonna insert a picture of you right here of me and you. I look crazy, real bad. But I remember when she was a baby, like a baby. We was chatting it up, we was talking, listening to music. They just left. We didn't get to everything we were gonna get to. Probably gonna do that tomorrow. I don't remember if I included it or not, but we only have like a few major things that we want to do as far as decluttering. My shorty over here cooking up some steak and she bringing the pan over to me, y'all. Yeah, so you can look. What happened? I'm laughing because you got the vet on. But yeah, we didn't really do too much. Y'all saw what we did. I'm gonna go take a shower real quick, get ready for bed, do my skincare. Y'all know, do what I usually do, and just relax until the food is done. Find a movie, start to edit. But yeah, I'll check in with y'all in like 1 second. Let me go hop in the shower and I'll be back. Okay, I don't know what my shorty got on the TV. I'm out the shower. I've been editing a little bit and Britt put on some movie. But the dogs is talking. The food is done. She told me to give her a second. I don't know what for, but I'm about to eat in a second, edit and watch a movie, and after we're going to bed. It's only, bro, it's only 6:30 and I'm talking about going to bed. I will check in with you guys in the morning because I know like once I eat and I get in the flow of editing and watching a movie, it ain't gonna be really nothing to film or talk about. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Hey guys, not my camera battery about to die right now. I don't know how far I got talking, but the camera ended up dying. I'm about to eat some breakfast because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It ain't never too early to eat. You ever wake up with your stomach on ground? Your stomach is touching your back, even though you just had a full meal the night before? That's me right now. So I'm about to eat something. If anything, I'll probably have yogurt first and then decide if I want to start cooking right now. But the plan for today is to get back into decluttering. Britt didn't get a chance to do, she wanted to do the cabinets in the kitchen. And then I wanted to get rid of some stuff in the closet in her room. Oh, and laundry. Gotta do laundry. I'm probably actually gonna throw a load in probably right now, just so laundry is done before 10 o'clock. Okay, let's go. I don't think I'm gonna like this one. This one in the garbage. Change plans, not eating no yogurt. That shit look disgusting. Why does that one look different from the other ones? Please explain that to me. I'm actually gonna lay my ass back down. Probably turn on the TV, and then I'm gonna get up and make some breakfast. I don't feel like doing that right now. As much as I'm hungry, I don't feel like doing all that. We're going to the room, we're gonna chill, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all in a second. Y'all want to know the time?
After hours.
After hours. After hours, like, what's the after hours?
Like it's Sunday, stores is closing early because it's Sunday.
Oh.
It's 6:35.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna explain it this way. It's like when you gotta get up for work, you gotta piss me off.
I'm drinking my juice.
It's like when you get up for work in the morning and you gotta close the bedroom door and don't go back in the bedroom. Don't even look at the bed, because if you sit down, you ain't gonna get back up. Where I went wrong was sitting back down, and it's raining outside, it's storming out. I didn't put on Coraline, and that did it. She literally just finished doing the cabinet. Well, the seasoning cabinet. She threw out whatever we didn't need, and that's all that we did. Literally. Brett.
Sorry.
I told y'all that I was gonna put a little laundry in. I haven't really gone nowhere. So I literally only have like a few things that need to get washed, and I was not gonna wash 4 items. So, but as far as the Sunday reset, the house was clean from last night. I was gonna go through the closet, see what I wanted and what I didn't want, but I'm probably gonna save that for tomorrow when I have like nothing to do during the day. I'm just gonna do that on my own. As far as the rest of the stuff that we were going to do out here, she already did the cabinet. The other cabinet don't really need to be gone through, right? And then the laundry room, that's it. But I watched Coraline on repeat like 3 or 4 times because it's just my favorite movie. And then I just been watching YouTube, and that's about it. So I honestly feel like I'm just gonna close out the video here because I'm gonna eat and go to bed.
Eat them now because it's for that.
You wanna piss me off. Hit him now, cause man. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was kind of fun filming a weekend of my life and how chaotic I really am and how all over the place I am. But that's kind of like what makes the video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and click that bell so you're notified every single time I upload. I'm gonna try to upload every single week. The cat is watching me. If you made it to the end of the video, comment this emoji and I'll see you guys next week. I don't even know what I'm gonna film. Gotta go, bye, see you later. Say bye.